Wahala, 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 deo. Rivers State Attorney General and Commissioner for Justice, Mr. Dagogo Israel Iburuma, SAN, has said that there was no declaration to the effect that the former Speaker, Martin Amewule, and 26 others were still members of the People's Democratic Party, PDP, and the Rivers State House of Assembly. Iburuma stated that there was already misleading news in circulation on social media and conventional media that Amewule and others were still members of the PDP and Rivers State House of Assembly, stressing that the information was deceptive. The Attorney General of the state therefore urged members of the public to disregard such news already making the rounds on social media, print and electronic media, emphasizing that the entirety of the news was not true and had no basis in law. Addressing newsmen in Port Harcourt on Monday, the Rivers State Attorney General said, as the third defendant in suit number DHC/20/CS/2024, his attention was drawn to a recent judgment of the court to that effect. But Iburuma explained that the suit in question did not even speak to declare the seats of Martin Amewule and 26 others in Rivers State House of Assembly vacant. Rather, he said the suit of the claimant was struck out for words of local standing and jurisdiction, and also for being an abuse of court process which robs the trial court of jurisdiction to adjudicate on the matter. As you all know, Martins Amewule and 26 others defected from the People's Democratic Party (PDP) to the All Progressives Congress (APC) on the 11th day of December 2023, and stated that in much affidavit evidence deposed to by Martins Amewule for himself and on behalf of 26 others in suit number FAC/ABJ/1681/CS 2023 before Honorable Justice Donatus Okorowo of the Federal High Court, Abuja Division. The suit is still pending in court. The Rivers State Attorney General explained further by Section 2723 of the 1999 Constitution as amended, it is only the Federal High Court that can determine whether Martins Amewule and 26 others are still members of People's Democratic Party and also members of the Rivers State House of Assembly. This much was held by the trial courts. However, you will recall that there was a subsisting order of interlocutory injunction in suit number PAC/1512/CS/2024 restraining Martins Amewule and his co-travelers from further parading or presenting themselves as lawmakers in Rivers State pending the determination of the substantive suit, which has not been appealed against to date. He added, he therefore urged the public to disregard the fake news and misinformation making the rounds on social media. The question is that, is it the social media that will save these people? Because I don't understand. This is what is called they have been scammed. That is it. Or they are just trying to paint what is not, or they are trying to intimidate you. I don't get it. Whether it is true or not, so the audacity for me is when they have already come out, all of it, after like how many months, since December, we are now in June, for 6 months now, you have been parading yourself, you have been jubilating, yes, we don't move to APC, nothing they happen, okay, now they run the show. All of a sudden, you now said no. They let them come out and tell us that we did not defect. When you told the whole world, when you were jubilating about it, you were making mockery of Fubara and his people. Ha! Una one, ẹ̀yin too late. Una one, he get IB, he get ACB. Wonder shall never happen. Like I always say, Nigeria, the more you look, the less you see. All these people, they are something else. They are no longer in APC. All of a sudden, the thing don't cast last, e don cast. E don cast, e don cast, e don cast. Well, confused attorney general, incompetent lawyer, no direction. The case was struck out for locus and jurisdiction and abuse of court process. This means the 27 House members are still in PDP and valid. Okay, but they are valid. Why they can't they change man? Why can't they chest it out? The so-called lawmakers. Okay, you think Rivers State is a place where you do your careless tribalism? Okay, don't say mislead public. Go appeal before you know your governor will impeach. Thinks those lawmakers will void their hand. Okay, they fold their hand. Okay, now you think the governor himself will not fold his hand? The question, all of you should be ashamed of yourself. Why didn't you all this while? But you were telling us that they were right by defecting to APC. So why the sudden change? You guys are jokers, correct ones. You are jokers that they are no longer in APC again. No get shame. Una shame, it dey shame us. Both the judiciary and all these people, they shame us. Oh my God. So guys, let's know what you think and have your take on this. Thank you.